Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Cohiba Lancero. This is a Vitola called the Liguito #1, and these cigars are becoming increasingly harder to find. Let's take out the cardboard box. These cigars were purchased here in the UK, English market selection. And if we turn it over, you can see this is from 2024. So these will definitely need some resting time. Let's open up the box. You have the cigars boost bag. Then we have the nice cedar wood with a Cohiba logo. Then we have the Hunters and Francow EMS certificate, the Habanos, and you have this foil, which with time will get some nice brown tinge to it, as I've seen in vintage boxes. This is a box of 25. Let's take one out and inspect the goods. Without damaging. There you go. Just beautiful. If you take a look at all the holograms, you've got the beautiful pigtail, triple cap. There you go, 1, 2, 3. These cigars are full body cigars and are very impressive to take out an event, smoking with friends, usually like an evening smoke. Put those back. These will benefit definitely from aging. I've had older cigars from this, the older Lanceros, and they were very good, so I believe that these cigars will be absolutely fantastic once we let them sit for a little bit. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.